just on my phone. I need you to hold up. Sorry, I can't talk. I'm too busy focused on my vibe. I'm just fine, and you ain't gotta hit my line next time. I gotta go, so can I hit right back? You say you lit, but you not lit like that.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I started this process off with the banding method, and these are my results. I like to use the banding method because it requires no heat, and it somewhat gives my hair the texture of the braiding hair. I then go ahead and section each part with my rat tail comb and add in the rubber bands. I would like to start by saying I want to nominate myself for the in-rigging Olympics because I'm always making something out of nothing and turning it into everything. I didn't have nobody to hold a mirror up for me, so I took my knee and planted it against that mirror and parted the back of my hair. Now I'm going to prep my hair with the age wax. Now it's time to thin those ends out on the braiding hair. I used to think this part was so unnecessary until I started doing my own hair, and I found out it's necessary, okay? So right here, I'm just making sure the rubber band has a grip on my hair. Now I'm going to apply slight pressure and start braiding the kink-along hair with my hair being the third string of hair. And as I get slightly to the halfway mark of my hair, I'm going to start adding in the braiding hair to my hair, as you can see, and just continue that process along the whole entire braid. So now we're going to seal those ends. You want to wait till that water is boiling hot and just go ahead and dip, baby. So why nobody ever put me on this gorilla snot? It's just be laid for 24 hours, I promise you. Well, look now. Is that silk or polyester? Girl looking real snackish in that robe. Believe me. And I'm aware that my braids look a little dingy. I need a Snapchat filter. But I just came on there to show y'all how I prep my hair to go in the shower. Because don't nobody want them heavy braids after water then got in the doggone figure. Things be so heavy. If you ever had full locks or any kind of extra hair, you can relate. So grab that bag and baby, secure your life. And I tie it around twice. And yeah.
Line around the corner, line them up the block and over. Sometimes I even stop the smoking when it's time to focus. My shade, Dior, my pants, velour. Create, explore, expand, concord.